Hi everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about beginner guide on how to use ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is simply a language model which is developed by OpenAI. Now, it is an artificial intelligence program designed to understand and also respond to natural language queries and also generate human-like text. ChatGPT is trained on a massive data set of written text and uses deep learning algorithm called transformer architecture to generate responses to user input. So, what does GPT stand for? GPT simply stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Now, generative means the model is capable of generating new content based on the input it receives, while pre-trained means that the model has already been trained on large amounts of data before being fine-tuned for a specific task. Then, the transformer refers to the specific architecture used by the model. So the transformer architecture is a deep learning technique that allows the model to effectively process and generate natural language text. So ChatGPT is capable of generating human-like responses. So how do we use ChatGPT? There are three ways you can access ChatGPT. Number one is through the website. Let's just simply let's click on openai.com. openai.com, which we are in right now. This is OpenAI. So you can simply navigate to API. That's the first part. You can navigate to API. From here, you can sign up. You can click on Open API. You can sign up, or you can simply come down to ChatGPT below and click on ChatGPT. Now from here, you'll see try ChatGPT. Now it will bring you to a point where you simply log in or sign up. Another way we can access ChatGPT is we can also type in the address bar, simply type platform.openai, and it brings us to this point. Now from here, you can sign in. You can sign in to ChatGPT. Simply click on Playground. From Playground, here you can type whatever you want to type. Let's say you want ChatGPT to write something for you. You can just say, okay, you can say, write 1,000 words on artificial intelligence. Now once you are done, you come down to this point and click submit. Click submit. Now as you can see, it's generating the text that we need. So another way we can access ChatGPT is simply type chat.openai.com in the address bar. Now it brings us to this point. At this point, you can sign up. If you don't have an account, you can simply sign up or simply log in. Now I have an account. I will simply log in. Once I click on login, it brings me to this point. Put your email address, click continue, then your password, then press enter. Now it brings us to this point. Now this is ChatGPT window. Now ChatGPT uses prompts. If you look at it down here, this is where you type your queries at this point. Now at the left hand side, you will see the history of things that you search. You've searched. Down here you can see other settings you can apply. Now examples of things you can do. You can ask ChatGPT capabilities of ChatGPT and limitation. Now you need to understand that there might be error can be produced, so you need to be very careful. Once it is generated, you need to go through whatever is generated so that you can make corrections to it. So assuming I want to type the same thing, let's say I want to type, okay, write Write 2,000 words about Amatan. Let's say Amatan, for instance. You can see. You can simply click on stop generating. It stops if you are true. Let's say assuming you want to start a blog or a YouTube channel or something, and you are confused on what name you can use. You can simply ask ChatGPT. Simply write suggest name for let's say for a nature channel on YouTube, for instance. Now let's wait and see. Say 5 potential names: wild wonders, nature's way, earth treasures, adventures, and so on, like that. And it gives explanation also. Let's say you need topics. You want to search for topics you can talk about at social point. Now let's type suggest topics for a nature channel on YouTube, for instance. Let's wait and see. As you can see, it's suggesting wild documentaries, environmental issues, nature travel guides, outdoor adventures, and so on, like that. You can even ask ChatGPT to suggest tags for you. Let's assume the same thing, you want to start a beauty channel. You can simply ask ChatGPT to suggest tags for a beauty channel. These are possible tags you can use. So at this point, there is more to it. You can use ChatGPT to make some research. You can study more. It can also help you. If you're a copywriter, it can also help you doing more of your research, and it makes your life easier. So at this point, I feel you can explore more on your own. Thank you. Please subscribe and help share also. Thank you very much.